Hello, people. Today we are talk about Louis Hart. Louis Hart was a French painter born on 29 August 1864 in Pontoise, a town located near Paris, thought not as widely recognized as some of his contemporaries. He had played a significant role in the development of New Impressionism and made noteworthy contribution to the art world during his lifetime. His artistic journey and unique style reflect the complexities of the late 19th and early 20th centuries, a period of great innovation and transformation in the visual arts. Heard grew up in an artistic environment. His father was a engraver, which likely nurtured his easily interest in art. His formative years were marked by exposure to the works of the Impressionists, who were revolutionizing the art scenes with their emphasis on light and colors. Here's early works showed the influence of Camille Pissarro, who was a family friend and mentor. Pissarro's guidance and the vibrant artistic milieu of Pontoise and Paris significantly shaped its artistic development. It is most closely associated with New Impressionism, a movement founded by George Seurat and Paul Segnick. New Impressionists built upon the innovation of the Impressionists but employed a more significant approach to color and composition. They utilized a technique known as pointillism, where small distinct dots of color were appealed in patterns to form an image. This method relied on the viewer's eyes to blend the colors optically, creating a luminous and vibrant effects. He had adopted his technique and become an active participant in the movement. It was from the period are characterized by meticulous brushwork and keen understanding of color theory. Paintings such as the Hikmar and the Bridge at Pontoise demonstrate his ability to capture the play of light and the subtleties of natural landscapes. Here's use of pointillism was both rigorous and expressive, allowing him to explore the interplay between color, light, and form. As time progressed, his style evolved while he remained influenced by the principles of New Impressionism that began to experiment with different techniques and subjects. His later works exhibited a looser, more fluid style compared to the precision of his pointillist period. Here's plates also become more subdued, reflecting a shift towards a more introspective and personal approach to painting. One notable aspect to Here's later career is his exploration of urban scenes and industrial landscapes, unlike many of his contemporaries who focused on rural and idyllic setting. Hurt was fascinated by the modern city and the changes brought about his industrialization. Paintings such as Factory in Winter and View of Paris capture the dynamic and often harsh realities of urban life. Through this work, he had offered a unique perspective on the transformations occurring in French society at the turn of the century. Despite his contribution to New Impressionism and his innovative approach to painting, Louis Hare did not achieve the same level of fame as some of his peers. However, his work has been recognized for its technical skill and artistic vision. Her paintings can be found in several important locations, including the Musée d'Orsay in Paris and the Collier Muller Museum in the Netherlands. Her's legacy is that of an artist who bridged the gap between the significant rigor of New Impressionism and the expressive potential of modern art. His commitment to exploring new techniques and subjects, as well as his ability to capture the changing world around him, makes him a significant figure in the history of French painting. Louis' Haidt artistic journey reflects the broader currents of innovation and change that characterized the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Through his adoption and adoption of pointillism, his exploration of urban and industrial themes, and his evolving style, he had made a lasting impact on the art world. While he may not be as well known as some of his contemporaries, his work remains testament to the creativity and diversity of the new impressionist movement.